Hey, in this video we'll have a look at the top 4 ways to learn C#. C# is an amazing programming language developed by Microsoft. Let's get into it. Okay, so number 1 is Udemy Courses. Udemy is a course platform which allows you to learn via taking these courses which you purchase. So as you can see here, they are around the £20 mark or the $20 mark, depending on where your location is. But the courses are very, very high quality. Now for C# in particular, I can strongly recommend the Mosh Hamadani courses. There's 3 of them for C#. So you have the C# Basics for Beginners, the C# Intermediate, and the C# Advanced Topics. These 3 courses are absolutely amazing, especially if you've never used C# before. They take you from the very start and then cover some more complicated topics in C# and how you can leverage C# to achieve multiple different things. For those of you who know nothing about C#, but basically C# is a programming language that can be used to develop mobile apps, websites, and games. It's actually very popular in game development. But yeah, this is a great starting point to learn C#, and it can be used for both, for all of those, for game development, for apps, and for websites. Now, the second way to learn C# is to look at books. A particular book that I can strongly recommend is this one, the C# V10, which is the current one, and .NET 6, which is the framework. So you have C#, which is the programming language, and .NET, which is the framework. So this book is very good. It takes you through some of the newest things in the programming language, and it's great for beginners. I can thoroughly recommend it. There'll be links to this in the description below, so if you would like to purchase this, then just head over there from the description. Now, if you're looking for game development, the similar publisher has done a book on game development with Unity. Unity is one of the most popular game engines in the world, and is used to create many games on platforms like PlayStation, PC, and others. And this is a great way to start learning C# programming and Unity itself as well, if you want to go into game development and 3D game development with the Unity engine. Again, links in the descriptions below. The third way to learn C# is via YouTube videos. So stuff that I can personally recommend to you is these courses on YouTube. So there is a 4-hour course by freecodecamp.org, and it's a great video. It's just over 4 hours, or 4.5 hours, and it's great for absolute beginners in C#. It goes into a lot of detail. However, there is one from Microsoft themselves, so the Microsoft developer account, and it talks about the C# fundamentals for beginners. So it goes into a lot of detail from Microsoft developers themselves in C# and how you can get started with it. So it's great for beginners. Thoroughly recommend it. It's completely free, just on YouTube. If you're looking for something a bit shorter, you have the C# tutorial for beginners from Mosh again, who I was showing you the courses on Udemy. This is a very concise course, and it's great for learning just the C# basics and getting into it. And it's just a quick introduction to see if it's for you. And then from there you can go on to some of those other courses, or purchase some of these books, or purchase some of Mosh's courses on Udemy themselves. And finally, the fourth way to learn C# is from the Microsoft Learn website, which is absolutely amazing. So Microsoft Learn is a platform created by Microsoft where you can learn all about all the different Microsoft technologies, and it's absolutely fantastic. They have a lot of video content, written content, documentation, and as well as interactive content. So they have little code exercises for you that you can trial out, or if you're learning their Azure cloud infrastructure, they actually have free cloud testing environments that you can just go in there, create the things that they're asking you to create, and then check that you've done the correct thing. So it's absolutely great, and I thoroughly recommend it. And you actually get these kind of badges when you complete a particular topic, which are great for showing off to employers, or putting it on your CV if you've completed a whole module and things like that. So it's great for your CV as well as learning something new, especially if you're into C#. So those are my top 4 recommendations for learning C#. If I've missed anything, please leave a comment below and I'll add it in as a recommendation. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.